We already saw how to apply colors using pure English color names, red, green, blue, likewise. We'll now see how it can be applied using a combination of red, green, and blue. Now, the background color red is what we see here. We try to use the RGB options. Now, in the RGB options, all we have to say is a range of 0 to 255 values. Now, this denotes red, green, and blue. I have to say from 0 to 255, what is the range of these values? So I'm saying red on the highest, green is 0, and blue is 0. Let's see what happens. It's red, right? So let me mix some colors into this. Let this be 100 and let this be a 150. Now see the color changes. So it is mixing 255 of red, 100 of green, and 150 of blue. So when you mix that, this is the color you get. Now there is another property for the RGB, or call it RGBA, or red, green, blue, and alpha. So the last value is pretty much for the transparency. So the value starts from 0.0 to 1.0. Now when I give 1.0, you see this. I'll switch it to red so that you could see the feature making it that effect. Now 1.0, it's full red. Now when I change this to 0.01, what happens is this red becomes transparent. So whatever is behind red, that's what you would see. Now you could increase this to somewhere between 0.0 to 0.0 to 1.0. So this is basically shading the color. Now, I mean, transparency is what it does. So if there is a div or an image behind it, you would see that image being you could see that image. I mean, if you have this as 1, you wouldn't see the image because red will completely take over the image.